Good morning, Manada. Our topic is Department Internal Circular Generator. Myself Chandana, this is Pooja, this is Chinmay, and this is Prerana. So here are the content: abstract, introduction, problem statement, objectives, methodology, software and hardware requirements, and conclusion. So for the abstract, the Department of Internal Circular Generator is designed to streamline internal communication between actors. It ensures official website, official news and announcements and meetings, schedules and policy changes reach their employee on time. With a systematic approach, these ensure the information reaches all the employees in a timely and organized manner. Next will be continued by Pooja.
I am going to explain the introduction part. The Department of Internal Circular Generator is responsible for creating and managing the official messages, announcements and updates within an organization. These circulars help keep everyone informed about an important event, changes, rules or decisions. Yet this department ensures that communication inside the organization is clear, quick and well organized, and it prepares a circular for staff meeting, policy updates, holidays, and training on schedules and more. Next part is problem statement by Prerana. Problem statement. Department Internal Circular Generator. In any organization, the internal communication is often delayed or inconsistent or inorganized due to the manual methods of creating, distributing circulars, and this can lead to a lot of confusion and sometimes missing of information or spreading of this information. So there is a lack of proper documentation also. So there is a need of centralized and automated system that can help generate, manage and distribute the internal circulars efficiently. Such a system should ensure that it happens the timely communications and standard formatting of the document should be there and proper record keeping should be there while reducing the manual effort and chances of human errors. Next, the objectives will be continued by Chinmay.
Compress the reduce data errors, time efficiency, more efficient, improve clarity. In this clarity is more centralized records. In the documents with centralized records, accessing control and distribution. In that department, we can access the control of the generators. Methodology, requirement analysis. What kind of technologies with the requirements? System design. What type of designs in the systems? Tools and what of tools? What are the tools and commands and applications that process? Development techniques. What are the development of the program? Integration connection between the SQL, the backend, front-end, testing. All the test cases are passed in the output. Development techniques. What are the development in the code? Monitoring all the data in the code. Next, concluded by Vera.
Software and hardware requirements. First, for operating system, we have Windows. We have used Windows 10 Plus for hosting, and for backend framework, we have used Python, which manages the logics, and front-end technologies, we have used HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript, which manages the front-end technologies. Database, we have used SQL for storing the data. Next, software and hardware requirements. For hardware, we have used the processor of Intel i3 or equivalent PC, RAM of 4 GB, and storage of 50 GB, and display of 1024x7 resolution. Next, conclusion done by Pooja. I am going to explain the conclusion part. The development and implementation of a department internal circular generator significantly enhance internal communication within an organization by automating the creation and distribution of circulars. This system promotes efficiency, consistency and clarity. It reduces the manual efforts, minimizes the errors and ensures timely dissemination of important information to our relevant stakeholders. Thank you.